Hey y'all, what's up? It's Gabby and I'm back with another YouTube video. And I've been gone. I really been gone for I don't know how long I've been gone, but nevertheless I'm back. And today I'm gonna be doing some large knotless braids. I don't know if I'm doing the coil array braids or just regular and extend the length and make them super long, or I feel like every time I'm filming, I'm in the same clothing. But y'all, okay, I'm gonna give y'all a little haul somewhere in this video. I'm about to blow dry my hair. My hair has grown. I be cutting my ends, so and plus it's in this big dookie braid, so I don't know if y'all can see my length, but wait. Oh, don't mind my breakout, but it's raining outside, so what thing better to do than to go from looking like a bum to the baddest walking. When my hair's blow dried and pre-parted, I'll get back with y'all. This is not a tutorial. This is y'all watching me do it. I might struggle a little bit. I might not, because I never did no knotless big before. I only did them small, which if you go on my Instagram, you can see the video. It'll be right here. And yeah, so I'll see y'all later. Oh my god, y'all. This one makes sense to y'all because I haven't been on the internet really, but if y'all follow this Instagram account, then y'all probably would know a little bit of what I'm trying to get started now. And it's so funny that my mama just ran across this piece of when y'all see, y'all gonna be like, bound to be. It was bound to be, because I found this it's real messed up, but look, it's my life calling. I gotta do this. And I just told you I got some heels in, and it's like, oh my goodness, I'm so anyways, that's all I came back on here, y'all. I ain't even get started on my hair because I'm finna eat something. I think I'm gonna eat some Chick-fil-A that I had this morning. I got a chicken sandwich and some chicken minis, and my arm is tired. What else? And I got some hash browns. I had fruit too. I'm gonna drink some juice, and yeah, I'll be back.
Rather bend it over on the beach up Facebook, blocked your phone. You can try, but they always come back running. Yeah, they wish that they still knew me. Always come back running. Yeah, they wish that they still knew me. Always come back running. Yeah, they wish that they still knew me. Always come back running. Yeah, they wish that they still knew me.
Y'all, it's the next day. I had partied this side finally because it was taking me so long to part. So I parted this side. It's not perfect. It's not, I didn't know how to part my hair, so screw the parts, but I did have. And just because I don't know how much storage I got, I'm gonna keep this real short and sweet. I'm gonna finish parting this, and then I'm gonna time lapse me putting this in my head. I just got finished eating. I ate shrimp wrap from Tropical Smoothie and a Sunrise Sunset, and also I got a hurricane, but I'm gonna say that for tomorrow or later. Who knows? Because my blender is acting retarded. Like, you can plug it in, it's gonna turn on, but it's not gonna blend because, like, I don't know, but the Ninja Foodie, like, when the suction is so strong, so I kind of like tried to lift it up from the base and then it like separated. So my blender is not working, so I haven't been having smoothies, and I haven't been having nothing in here to really eat because I don't like it. But yeah, that's enough of the talking. I'm gonna finish parting this little section and then come back with a time lapse, and y'all gonna see that.
Girl, I know I'm not much better than before. Oh, I'm trying I play it back when it's over. The back when it's over. Back when it's over. I want back when it's back when it's over. The way you touching my shoulder. I want back when it's over. The back when it's over. Try to walk straight, but I'm stumbling down. Try to.
I finished my hair.
You want me to do your baby hair, so you want to do it?
I don't know what it looks like in the back because I ain't look. Period. Don't play with me. Play with your feet. And I'm watching.
Yeah. They want her dead. Who are you all talking about? She already had the mama smacks prepared. Ugh, I know. Nah, I let Bree.
And this is good. This is the hurricane.
Discharge. Sometimes I do be getting hella hot though. That's crazy. Maybe that means I'm ovulating. Okay, every time I feel hella hot, because I'm fertile for sure. My family does have like issues, so. Yeah.
Away, but I'm coming back now. I knew I needed you, but I didn't know how. Why I try so hard. Don't know what to do when it's me.
So y'all, I almost forgot, but I'm gonna do my edges using the Dove collection, because if you're not using this, then what are you doing? What are you putting your edges through? I know when you put the brush head in the thing, it contaminates it, but I don't care. So I don't have many edges out, which is fine, but I'ma still style them cause
don't know what I feel, I don't understand why. I needed you, but I didn't know why. But now you're leaving. Girl, I know I'm not much better than before. But oh, I'm trying to do this right.
I feel like these ones over here gonna last longer because I use the edge control in the braid. Like on the braid, and I just use Shiny Jam for the other ones, but Okay. I would go dip them, but it's like, I don't want to go to bed with wet hair. So, I'll attach videos, TikToks, or all that. And I hope y'all like this video. If this video is short, then I might add more clips to it. Who knows? But because I only did the time lapse when I was doing the last two braids because I was watching the best friend on YouTube. And that's what I was doing. So yeah, I really was looking terrible because I didn't tell y'all, but I'm gonna do a life update. Not the low battery. I'm gonna do a life update, but y'all, I got a job. So, and they kept calling me into work, so I couldn't do my hair. And so I was looking like a bum with my little regular dookie braids pulled back into a ponytail. I'm gonna insert a clip of what the back of my hair was looking like. Yeah, that was your girl. I was looking terrible. But it's okay, because I shook a bit. I shook a bit. And one thing about me, I love me some jumbo braids. But now, I'm thinking about it. How my hat gonna stay on my head at work? They be trying to set me up to look terrible. But yeah, they kept calling me in the front. And I'm like, yeah, I can come in, you know. Because they don't have me on the schedule for the weekend. And I'm like, girl, I need more hours. I could do this for hours and hours. But I might go dip my hair, actually. I need to find a towel. Because my braids are stiff. But they are this long. They like to my waist. Since Ruway hair is like, it's not that long. You have to add on. So I kind of added extra length when my hair stopped in the braids. So like, if y'all know, y'all know. If y'all don't, then y'all don't. I had 6 packs of hair. I only use 6 packs of hair. I only use like 4. Not even the full 4 packs. And I achieved this look with 4 packs of hair. And I'm gonna show y'all. I use these. Actually, I got 3 packs left. So if I could take this back and get my money. Actually, no, because this is on sale for $4. You know? So I was like, okay, let me get some. So you mean to tell me I only use 3 packs? I only use like less than 3 packs. Because the other bundle, I used some of the last bundle in the 3rd pack. I'm gonna tell my girl best friend, I got some braiding hair, so if you want this style, just come over and I'll do your hair. I will do your hair. My parts are terrible, but alright, I'm gonna dip my hair and come back so y'all can see the final results. But yeah. So it's the next morning and I dipped them, but I hate when I dip them and like they be looking like this instead of like this, and it should be so but you know, they got movement, you know. And so what I was gonna do, because this is just a vlog at this point, I don't know how long the video is, so I don't know how much of this footage I'm gonna include in here. But today I was about to go, I got dressed. I wasn't wearing this, but I got dressed to go outside so I can take a video of me walking in heels so I can send it, so I can email it to these people, well, this specific email address, so they can consider me to walk in a fashion show. And if they be like, okay, yeah, she seemed like a good fit, I'm gonna send me more information, and then castings and practice and all that type of stuff. So hopefully I can, but it was raining outside and I think it was sleeting, but it was cold and it